Hi everyone. So it's been long since I took the clips that you're about to see, and they're clips that involve a very dear friend of me, and I don't know how I can say it, but I just love this person and I just love her. So last year, that was 2021, I had been away for quite long, since the beginning up to later that year, and when I came home I decided I needed to do something that would be like an encouragement gesture, and that gesture, I am pretty sure it might have been very little, but it might have gone a long way. So as you take your time to enjoy whatever you are about to see, I hope that it's going to encourage you as well, or to motivate you, or to give you some kind of strength that maybe you needed at this particular time. So let's get to it. Crew. Okay. So I hope you're all doing well.
I'm good.
This is my sister, and there's another one there. She's expecting a baby anytime from now, but we have never ever done for her a baby shower or a photo shoot. So today I decided to take some of my pretty clothes and my pretty sister here, so that we go do a photo shoot for her, and she doesn't know. So it's a surprise. I told her these things belong to someone. Of course, this briefcase belongs to my friend Naomi Omi. She's on YouTube. Please go to her channel and subscribe, like her videos, comment and share to support her. She's a new YouTuber. See you in a few. I'm so excited. Hey, you guys, I have been away like since January. I've not been home. I was in school. So I just wanted to be part of like her pregnancy journey, and that's why we're doing this. If people say hi, hi, tell the people to comment, share and subscribe. Comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Post My Channel. Thank you. So there's a sister of mine called Sarah. We're going to either meet her or not in a few. Oh yeah, we are calling her. My sister walks so fast. Can you imagine? She's right there. Na sisi hapa tunang'ang'ana na mizigo. See us here, struggling with the mizigos. And you saw where she was. She was in front and we are here. I'm so tired right now. You guys, do you balance Nini? I've not even put something like the way they put that round thing and then you balance. Guys, imagine I'm balancing. I feel so proud. Tumfikia, ndo huyo. She's right here, my crew. Man, I got tired. And we swapped. Look at how my hair is plaited. But there guys, I do my own hair and gonna show the full routine of how I take care of my hair. Like my hair is pretty long, reaches around here, this strand. I need longer hair though. My sister here is struggling, and I struggle, but she's good. I love when I have a team that's so helpful, the support system. Okay, see you guys when we get to the hospital. I'll try shooting, but I know with medical institution, it's very hard to shoot. But if we get permission, we should. Every time we just do it underground. Chini ya maji, chini ya maji. Okay.
What's going? Hosi, tunaenda hosi.
Where's the shoot? Session, like the other part of this video, it's the same person, but like trying to be there for her, and doing things that would have, if not done, maybe things would have been fatal, but I decided let me just do, because sometimes you don't need a very big reason or a very self-explained reason. It just comes instinctively, and yeah, I think that's all I can say. But I want to tell you that this part is what actually is gonna make a lot of sense, especially to us people who have a lot of propagandas and what. I don't know if those propagandas work or not, but let's see. Okay. After the photo shoot and a lot of struggles with editing comes the part of going to hospital. And guys, I can remember vividly about everything that transpired during this entire thing of hospital, and I was like, wow, this is how it goes, man. That was my first time ever taking a pregnant lady to hospital, and this time it's my own sister. It was like a culture shock kind of experience. It was shocking. I saw a lot of things in hospital. People were dying, others were mourning, others it was a happiness getting out of hospital with a bundle of joy. And for us, with all the struggles, it was a good ending. And I am so glad that I was there for her. She had a support system, all round prayers and everything. Yeah. Inaitangwaje?
Gel.
Oh, it's just gel. Normal gel. Okay.
Kuna reason yote ya kuja hospitali? Kuna shida?
Alikuwa ameambiwa mtoto hajaturn. So kuna time alikuwa ameturn. But sasa hiyo alisema ako like across. Amelala hivi. So walikuwa nataka kujua if there's a problem and if the baby is healthy na ako fully grown. Ameturn or me face down, so ilikuwa breach and then ikakuwa cross, then kuna time alikuwa ameturn kabisa alafu akarudi across.
Hiyo kitamba ndio alikuwa cross.
Na hii wiki tumeenda on Friday. Walimguzaguza na kusema the head is and the legs are across. Ameshaturn. Oh. Does that like sleeping position in a contributing to the child's position? Oh. Oh. Alafu gender? Hapa tunaweza ona kweli? Nataka kuconfirm. Tumemboa. Au mtu anaweza ona? Umekunja miguu. Okay.
Unataka vingine?
Unless kuna kitu kingine wewe unafaa uniambie pia. I don't know, you're the doctor. Is there anything else I'm supposed to know? She's supposed to know. The baby and everything. And then, nilikuwa na swali. Nilikuwa nataka kuuliza. Can someone know kama atazaa normally ama na CS wakati hajakuwa in labor, ama you only know when you're in labor?
I think it's now about the mother.
Oh. When she was born with a heart problem and she underwent surgery, can that contribute in any way? Like alifanyia surgery kitambo kwa mtoto. Heart.
If the pressure yake haiko vizuri, then that's the major reason.
So blood pressure mnapima hiyo day ya delivery ama hata sahi? Tutanipimia. Okay. Mtoto wako sawa? Ameturn. Ndio nasema kuna error.
Nasema jina yake ni
Wait ako 59. Ina shida. Okay.
so mimi nataka katikati ya mwezi juu kumbuka ilikuwa siku gani.
So due date uwezi jua due date na
itakuja na hiyo estimate katikati ya mwezi. Nikaenda sasa nitafanya na machine itaniambia saa yake. Sawa.
Okay.
Juu amsema amjui ni mwezi wa 4 tarehe gani.
Si mimi nimekuwa nikimpeleka, I was in school, so what the doctor has been saying is like 8 bit iko sawa. Mnafanyanga placenta encapsulation? Mna capsulating placenta into capsules. Inatokea vile unataka? Hizo ni nini? Those are feet. This video took long to edit, and I thought it's gonna be longer than my normal videos, so I stopped there, and there's going to be a part 2, but I am so excited. And thanks for sticking around. I am waiting for you guys to ask me questions, give your opinions, and let us go through this together as you wait for part 2.